Hey guys, this is Haarisha MJ and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be slightly different. It's not going to be a tutorial with my step-by-step instructions. It's going to be a fast-forwarded video on how I paint this kingfisher bird, and I'm posting this video as a demo for how my online watercolor classes are going to be. So I've been taking online classes for 3 months now, and if anyone is interested to join, you can just check the details in the description box below. So in my online classes, the videos are going to be unedited and the videos aren't going to be fast forwarded or anything, so that you can see each and every step. I'll be giving step by step instructions on how to paint the image, starting from which colors you'll be requiring, all the way up to how to do the final detailing work. We also have a separate WhatsApp group where we'll be correcting your work and clearing all your doubts. This online class comes in 3 sessions for now. The first session is on how to paint flowers, and I'll be teaching you how to paint 11 different flowers. And the second session is on how to paint fruits and vegetables, where I will be teaching you guys how to paint 5 different fruits and 5 different vegetables. And the third session is ongoing, and the third session is on how to paint animals and birds, where I'll be teaching you how to paint 7 different animals. The videos are going to start from the basics, like how to blend watercolors, all the way up to how to do the final detailing for your artwork. Each session is going to be for 1 month duration, and the videos are going to be pre-recorded, so you can just watch it whenever it's convenient for you. The classes are for anybody above the age of 10, and for further queries, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll be answering them. Also, if you're wondering why the name Hasina and Harisha, it's because I'm going to be taking the online classes and my mother Hasina is going to be helping you guys out with the corrections and the doubts. So, hence the name Hasina and Harisha. And that's it for now. You guys can enjoy the rest of the video. And if you guys are interested, just check the description box below and I'll be providing all the information required. So, yeah, enjoy the video. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever I post a new video. Also, feel free to leave suggestions in the comment box below of what art related videos you guys want to see next. Thank you so much for watching.